Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would film a quick hair tutorial. This look I like to do if I'm going to an event and I don't have much time to do my hair and I just want something that kind of is out of my face and very comfortable and still looks stylish at the same time. And I've kind of incorporated this look a little bit from the runway. I used to have my hair done like this so many times just because it looks very high fashion and kind of it really shows all the features in your face. But today I'm actually going to add a little modern twist to it, so I'm not going to have the sleek ponytail. I'm going to put a little bit of a curl and a little bit more movement through it today for you, which is still just going to be as easy. So if you'd like to see how I did this look that I'm about to show you, please keep on watching. So there are a few things that you'll need to create this look, and the first is just a hairspray. The next is a dry shampoo, and I really love this one because it's great for lifting all the oil out of your roots and giving you some nice lift, and it creates nice texture as well. You'll need a comb or a brush, a few bobby pins, and a hair elastic. And also if you have a curling iron or wand, or you could also use your GHD to create some waves. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just create some waves in my hair, and I'm just going to do some random waves. I'm not going to do anything too over the top. I'm curling all of these first ones on my left side away from my face. Now for this side, I'm actually going to curl inwards. That just creates a little bit more of a natural curl or wave, rather than everything going the same way. And I just like to hold mine for a few seconds, maybe 4 or 5 seconds. And then I kind of just scrunch them up and let them kind of cool down in my hands. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to just spray a little bit of hairspray. Not too much. And I'm just going to let those set for a minute or two. Next thing I'm going to do is going to spray the dry shampoo. And you just want to spray it at your roots. And then I'm going to spray a little bit through the hair as well. And as you can see, that's given me a lot more volume to work with now. It's also great if you have very soft hair like mine, and it just kind of gives you a little bit more texture and more grip. Okay. I dropped my brush. So the next thing is to just brush through your hair a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, and once that is done, grab your elastic, brush your hair back very softly, just to smooth back that front part. Okay, then you want to start with the ponytail and kind of grab all your hair and smoothing any parts that are a little bit bumpy. I think I know why they do this, because on photo shoots and things like that, it gives you an instant facelift. Anyway, so I like to just do it as tight as possible. So you want to grab about 1.5 centimeters of hair and just wrap it around that elastic. Just keep wrapping that all the way. And then we're just going to use a bobby pin to secure it in place. And I like to use at least 2 just to make sure that that little part doesn't come out. Okay, so now we have that really nice high ponytail, and what I'm going to do is just spray a little bit of hairspray onto my fingers and kind of just tame any little flyaways. Okay, and one little trick that I like to do is to apply some of this body bling to my hair, which is, it's actually a body illuminizer, but if you just put the smallest amount, if you have kind of light to medium hair, it really brings out any highlight. So I kind of just put the smallest amount and kind of run that through the ends a little bit. I'm going to tame that flyaway. That's my fringe growing out, which takes forever and ever and ever to grow out. So there it is, guys. That is my finished kind of high fashion ponytail, and it will go with pretty much anything.